Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing The Binding of Isaac. I don't really know much about it in terms of items, so I apologize in advance. I don't know if I'll make this series or what, but we'll see. I don't play this game much. I've had it for a while, but I'm not very good at it, so I never really played it at all. I don't really know if it's worth bombing stuff for chests or whatnot. What is that? Cancer. Sick, I always wanted cancer. Sweet, we got an item up here. X-ray vision. Oh no, I just did something bad. Okay, I think we're good now. For some reason, OBS doesn't let me play this game full screen. It can't find it as an application, so I have to do it tabbed in a window. And that leaves me prone to accidentally clicking out of the window. And then I do some shit that I'm not supposed to. Okay, I'm doing pretty good so far. Although, considering it is the first room and whatnot, what's in here? This is a shop, isn't it? Don't know why I did that. I have no money whatsoever. Why did the music start? I have music off. That was odd. I'm so confused. Why does it do that? Isaac versus Larry Jr. Cool. I've dealt with this bitch before. It's like that snake game on Webkins. This guy's stuck. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, they're both... Oh, I ran into him there. Oh, okay. I'm not doing very good anymore. Oh my god. I don't know any of the boss patterns either, so... That's my excuse for doing awful. I don't know if this guy has a pattern or if he's kind of random. He just seems to be shitting everywhere. Nice. 2 black hearts, whatever that does. Mom's coin... Ooh, pills. Pills in Mom's coin purse. I don't think I should have done that. What's this one do? Friend silly. Ah, I got some fly buddies. This one. Range up. Nice. And another bad one. Cool. Next floor. Or basement level. I don't know. Alright, we'll go over here. It's gonna explode both or just one of the rocks? Nice. Okay, we got some moolah now. There's kind of a weird... Oh. Cool. I got a nickel with that. Oh, and there's another one to the left. Maybe not. Oh my god. Okay, we're fine, No, we're not fine. That's a green one. Whoa, that is a... Oh, shit. Oh my god, I have half heart already. Run. Okay, we did it. We have no bombs for that. We'll go up, I guess. We kind of need hearts. Wasn't I just here? I was. I'm stupid. I'll hit him one of these days. Come on. There we go. Nice. Yeah. There's a, what's this mean again? An item. Speed and range up. Whoa, I'm fast as fuck. I got some angry veins on my... Whoa, my god, my face. Okay, I did waste my, key there. Nope. I believe I am fucked. So I guess we'll just go for the boss, right? Monstro. Am I gonna die here? Whoa. Yep, no, I'm fucked. Actually, maybe I got this. I have faith. I don't know their pattern or anything, so I can't, like, predict what they're gonna do. Although, hopefully this guy just stays doing this for the rest. That'd be nice. Nope, he did not. Oh my god. Oh shit. Okay, that was close. Almost. So close. Stop jumping. Yes. Okay, we did it. What's this from then? We got it. Oh my god. Pageant boy. That's cute. Okay, we'll go in here. So I think we'll just go down to the next room. Okay. We'll go up. These guys shoot diagonally. Holy shit. And I died. To fucking fly. In some cave. Damn. Alright, we'll try one more time. Give it another go. Hopefully this time proves better. Already a bad start. Alright, item room. I got an odd mushroom. Tears and speed. These are smaller tears, but I guess they're faster as well. Oh, my whole body is smaller. I just noticed. Okay, sick. Can't get either. Oh, I can actually. I can get both of those. I have bombs. Nice. We have so much health now. Damn, I kind of like this actually. We'll go down. Envy. I think this guy splits, doesn't he? There's like a bunch more of himself. Yeah, shouldn't be too bad, especially now that I got this speed up thing. Oh my god, that was easy. Nice, dope. And I got no reward for it whatsoever. Even better. The Duke of Flies. Spitzo Flies. Alright, I'm really liking this item that we got here. This odd mushroom. He's like stuck in this side too. Oh, got him already. Very nice. One more up there. Hella easy. I got some HP up. Oh my god, look at my health. I'm ballin'. I can do whatever the fuck I want now. Oh, I need a key for that, don't I? Guess not. We'll go upstairs or up instead. That's a double fly. Those are both double flies. I only have 1 coin right now, so I guess we can't really buy anything. Oh, look at these things. They're kind of cute. This is an easy room. I think we'll go into this room here. Because we have health, so why not? Oh, totally worth it. God damn. Yeah, let's go and get an item. The peeper. My eyeball. What does he do? What does it do? I don't know. Oh, that's fucking OP as fuck. What the fuck? That's dumb strong. Look, he's just one-shotting them all. One more. Nice. Oh my god, that dude is amazing. I love that. Sick. We're doing so good this time. Monstro again. Hello, sir. Oh, why are my tears different again? Ouch. Already almost got him. Damn, look at that shit, dude. We got some meat. More HP and damage up. What the fuck are these things? Can I just blow them up? Oh shit, yep. Nice. Alright, shop in there. We don't have a key though. And we still don't have much money whatsoever. Damn. Okay, I guess they don't really aim. I still don't know what that room does. But it's got like an icon on the map, so you gotta assume it does something. Down. Gluttony. Fat bitch. Whoa. What the fuck? Do I have any warning when he's gonna do that? Do I just have to pay attention? Okay, he kinda like shakes. Oh, he has that too. Okay, this isn't too bad. Nah, that was easy. Alright, sick. We got an item. And we got another item. Damn, we're doing so good. Push pin. How do I use that? Oh my god, that's bomb. Base? No, I don't know. Whatever. We'll continue on. Go for the boss, I guess, is in the room that we haven't been to yet. Oh, I passed it. There we go. Alright. Oh my god, how did I dodge that? Good shit. What's in here? 2 black hearts. Don't mind if I do. I'm doing so good right now. Boss time. The Fallen or Fallent? What's up? What do you... Wow, you go really fast. Calm down. Calm down. Whoa! Interesting. Okay, so he's got those 2 attacks. This isn't bad. Oh, now he's 2 smaller ones. Oh no. Okay, I got this. I got this. We're doing good so far. Almost got him. Oh shit. Dude, I'm a fucking god. Never mind. Okay, I just gotta get one first. Nice. One more. Nice. And we get our health back. Sick. Got an item. Spirit of the Night. Oh, wait. Does that mean I can fly over stuff? Oh, fuck yeah. Is there anywhere I could go that I haven't been then? I guess we do go to the next place then, because I don't really see anywhere that we can access. Is that my heart hanging from my chin? I think so. The caves too. We're doing so good. Oh, I can shoot over rocks too now. Is there something special about this rock? Should we find out? There's not. Oh, there was. Sick. I can like do all this shit from a distance now because I... Ouch. Ouch. Goddamn. No. Fuck. Oh my god, I ate 3 damage there. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. They're ganging up on me. Heart. Very nice. We'll explore the rest of this floor before we do the boss, I guess. We got another sacrifice thing here, so I think we'll go into that. Nope. And... Yes. Do I try these? Why not? Shot speed up. Nice. I found pills and I ate them. Cool. I'm down 1 heart again. don't have a key for that. Nice. I can't get into... I can get into there. Do I want... No, I think I'm gonna go for the item instead. Fuck yeah. Pad. Okay, I can use it with space, but I don't know what it does is the only problem, so I guess we'll find out in this boss fight. What's up? Fistula. What even is that? Okay, space. I don't know what that did, or what this boss is. Oh, they're spawning these... Ouch. They spawn those things. But I think that was really easy boss then. Yeah, that was super easy. Spelunkers appeared in the basement, whatever that is. Got mom's lipstick for a range up, nice. Whew, we're doing so good. Where are we now? The depths 1. Cool, cool. That's the way to go. Okay, I can sacrifice a heart for some money, but I don't think we're gonna do that. Oh wait, I can totally just fuck here, dude. Damn, I can just chill here. Oh, that's so strong. I love this guy. Alright, so shop there. I do have 10 coins now, so I can maybe look towards doing that. Alright, 2 more. 1 more. That was close as shit. So yeah, I guess we might as well do the store. That's not a store. That's definitely not a store. I've been fucking tricked, dude. Do not appreciate it. Alright, almost got him. Nice, we got him. And we got more coins. We got a nickel. I mean a dime. Yes, a dime. What's this do? I don't know what this does, but we're gonna... Oh! Hell yeah, we need some health back actually. We're kind of low. So, or we could go down first here. Oh, that's key. Sick. And we got a chest with a heart and a bomb. I like that. Alright, we'll go to the right now. I'm actually surprised I'm doing this good, to be honest. Can't I just bomb this? I might as well. I have 8. I can. Fuck yeah. Now I'm loaded. I need to find me a shop. I don't know what these are or how I damage them. Like, they don't take any damage. Maybe they're something I can't kill. So should I just... I'll focus on the flies for now then. Ouch. Okay, yeah. We got most of our health back, actually. All's well that ends well. Is this a secret door, maybe? No. Do they have those in this game? I've seen someone do that. I don't know how you can tell, though. I guess we'll just continue on then. Go down here. What the fuck are these? Hit it, dude. There we go. Alright, we're missing just 1 heart now. We could go into here and get an item. It's a key. Skeleton key. Don't know what that does. Should we just bomb it? Yeah, we're just gonna bomb it. Give me a heart. I don't know if that was worth it or not. What are these? Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, you attack fast. Ouch. I lost all my black hearts already. That's upsetting. Okay, whatever. What the fuck? What was that shit? Whoa! Okay. Damn it. Lost some health there. Okay, there's the boss room, but I guess we'll go to the other one before we do that. Don't know why I stuttered so fucking badly there. That was disgusting. Alright. What's down here? Nothing fun. Nothing fun is down here. Right. I think it seems like I can't walk on their blood trail. Because it's flashing and that scares me. Alright. That wasn't very helpful, so I guess we'll just go to the boss. I have 99 keys? Nani this guy? Why do I have 99 keys? And I still don't know what this pad does. This maxi pad. Loki. Isn't that a Avengers guy? Alright, what does that do? Oh, he's fucking stunned. Sick, I'm liking that. It's kinda cute. I'm gonna do offload dodging his shit though. Okay. Okay. Alright, he does straight, diagonal, straight. That's his combo. And then he has this fly as well. They're bomb flies. Alright, we almost got him. Oh, fuck, I walked right into that thing. Fuck off, thing. Nice. We did it. Got some health back and we got an 8 ball. Which I don't know what that does. Shot speed up. What does this do? 2 spades. I don't know what just happened. Cool. We are on the depth 2. This seems like the end, maybe. If I did it on my second try, that's fucking insane. Damn, look how fast I shoot too. Hey guys. You don't explode, do you? Nice. Wow. See that? This is stupid. I'm just a god. What are these things? What are those? What are they supposed to be even? They're just really fast. Got him. Some bombs. We'll go up, I guess. Don't know what. Oh, wow. I don't like that. Come on, please die. Okay. I took a lot of damage in that room. Kill that bitch. Kill that bitch. Got him. That didn't give me anything back, though. Ah. Alright, we're gonna fucking use this shit. I don't know how long it lasts for. Quite a while, though. Although they're fucking really strong. Holy shit. Ah, fuck, I have 1 heart. Come on, die. Me too. Okay. I really need health. Maybe is there a shop in here? I hope there's a shop in here. Fuck, I'm getting kind of like nervous that I'm not gonna do this. It's like a very realistic thing to think. Oh shit. No, this is too much to handle. This is too much to handle. I don't know what's going on. Fuck. I need that heart. I need that heart. I need that heart. I need that heart. Got it. Oh. No. Fuck, 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 fuck a duck, fuck a duck, fuck a duck, duck, duck. Oh, they're not dead yet. Fuck! Oh, I was doing so good. Well, that was so close. I think, you know, we're gonna keep doing this until we get it. We'll get it one day, I'm sure. Hope you all enjoyed. Please like, comment down below, and subscribe for more content from this channel. I'll see you on the next one. Josh out.